Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with engulfing zone trading strategy. So today is part 8 on how to trade with engulfing zone trading strategy. So as I have told you, this strategy is included inside my ebook. So this strategy is very simple. Just try to identify the zone, then you can place your trade. So as you can see here, this is the breakout of this zone. You see I missed this, so this is the breakout of this zone. Then market break the zone, then you see market is reversing. So let us wait. And here you see here and here is very bad. The market here is bad. Yes, market here is really bad. But here you see engulfing here, you see another engulfing here. Market is really bad. So let's wait. So I will wait because this is hammer candlestick. But here is zone, so I'll wait to see what will happen, because market may go down. So you see here, this is the reversal area. Yes, I will place call option here, even though there is gap down. I know definitely market must reverse here, so that's why I place my trade. Because you see here is engulfing, here is engulfing, here is another engulfing. So market gap down at the zone, so I know definitely market must reverse here. That's why I place my trade immediately at this zone. You see strong bias. You see here strong bias entry at this level, so that's why I place my trade here. So you see this is winning trade. So this is another area here. I will wait for market to reach this level, this zone, to take next trade here. This is another zone, so I will wait for market to reach this zone, then I will take my trade. So let's check. So we are waiting for market to reach this level. Let's check another pair before. Here is another area zone here. You see market is trying to reach this level. So if market reaches this level, I will place my trade put option. So you see here market break this zone. Market is trying to reach this area. So if market reaches this zone, I will place my trade put option. Although this is strong uptrend, see here, see rejection. But this is hammer. As you see rejection here. And this is strong area. Market is very fast. I will wait for market to go up higher. See, I missed this put option here. No problem. I will wait for this area now. Or if this is weak, I will place my trade put option. Or if it is hammer, you see, this is weak candle here. I place put option because I know here market must reverse from this level. I know definitely market must reverse from here. That's why I place my trade put option here. See, strong sellers entry at this level, because you see here is engulfing. This is very nice zone. We have 19 seconds. We have 8 seconds. And you see this is winning trade again. So here this area is very bad market here, but let me see whether I can get opportunity here. See rejection here, and this is really bad market. And this is zone market very fast. So let's check another one. This one is not nice. I don't know what happens here. Here, yes, this is market is reaching this level, this zone. It's engulfing. It's tricky here. Right, you see rejection. This market is reversing here. So let's check another one. Here is another area, but you see momentum here. It's not so nice. Yes, engulfing. Market rejection from this level. Yes, here you see market is rejecting. But now this is my zone here, but it's not very nice one. Let me check here. You see where I told you this is the zone. Market has reversed already. So I'll wait for market to reach this level. To reach this zone. But here you see engulfing. And this one is not engulfing. So I'll wait. But here you see engulfing breakout. Here is another engulfing. You see here is engulfing. So let me check. No opportunity here. See here, breakout of this zone. Yes, you see breakout, but strong trend. Trend is really strong. Yes, I will place put option. Even though it's strong trend, I know market must reverse here, because you see breakout of this zone and the breakout again here, so market must reverse here. So definitely market must reverse here. So let's see. You see market is reversing because of the breakout of this zone. Even though you see momentum, but I know here sellers must enter at least for one candle at this level. You see weak sellers, but it's winning trade. So I took total 3 trades, all are winning trade in a row. This is the part 8 on how to trade with engulfing zone trading strategy. So I will stop trading here. Let me explain. This is the first trade here. First trade here, let me show you what I can see. You see here, this is engulfing, this is another engulfing. So this is the zone here. Then you see rejection already, then weak candle with the rejection. Then I know market will reverse here, even though there is gap down, because this zone is very strong. So that's why I place my trade call option at this level, at this zone. So then the next trade here, you see here I place my trade put option here. Why? Let me show you why. The whole candle here is engulfing, and this red candle is another engulfing. Then markets come to this zone, you see rejection, you see weak sellers, then you should expect strong sellers. So that's why I place my trade here, put option at this level. Then the last trade here, you see here, even though we are in strong uptrend, but you see here is engulfing. Then this is another engulfing. Then before breakout you see rejection. Then after this candle, I know market must reverse. After breakout of this zone, you should expect sellers entry. So that's why I place my trade here, put option. So you see, this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, share, comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.